Hi, I'm Prakyat, an HMS developer from Huawei India Research Center. Welcome to Develop with HMS Core. Today, I'm going to explain about MLKit and show its integration in Quick App. In this video, I will introduce automatic speech recognition service in MLKit and its implementation in Huawei Quick App. The ASR service recognizes the speech and converts it into text in real time. The speech needs to be less than 60 seconds. This service can be used in scenarios where searching a product in a shipping app or place in a maps app or name of a song in a music app through speech. Now, let us get coding.
Open and sign in to Huawei developer website. Go to console, App Gallery Connect, open My Apps. Click on New App. Set the package type as RPK, Quick App. Enter the app information. Select Add to Project and click OK. Go to My Projects. Select Manually Enter Package Name. Enter the package name and save. Set the data processing location. Keep the app ID copied to use it in the code. Open the Huawei Quick App IDE. Go to File, New Project, Quick App. Select a template and start creating a project. Go to Tools, Certificate. If the formal signature file of the RPK does not exist, the system will prompt to create a signature file. Click Create. Copy the certificate fingerprint. Go to the project in App Gallery Connect. Add the SHA-256 fingerprint obtained. Click the Manage APIs tab. Toggle the MLKit switch if it is not enabled. In the Quick App IDE, add the service ml.asr feature in the manifest.json file. Design the screen. Import the service ml ASR in script and define the instance. Call the start API. Pass the app ID and API key. Also pass the language. Get the data on the callback. Display the results after recognized. Now the coding is completed.
Let's write how to do that. Open newly installed app, set the language, tap on start. You will start listening to the voice. Once voice data is received, it will show the text in results. Well, that's all for today's episode. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments area below or visit Huawei developer website and be sure to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.